Hey guys, this is Cody and this is Ruben, and today we're going to give you a few tricks and tips for conference. My first tip being to be sure to label all of your items with both your school and your facilitator. Make a checklist of those items, be sure to bring that, and wear comfortable shoes because you're going to do a lot of walking.
Yeah. It's also a good idea to program all your team members' names and their phone numbers into everyone's phones so that if you need to get in touch with someone, you can.
Food and beverage purchased outside the convention center is unfortunately not allowed in the convention center. So you cannot have the option of visiting a concession stand, walking to a nearby restaurant, or you can bring your own team lunches, but you have to eat them outside or at a nearby hotel.
Also, you have to wear your name tags at conference. They're required to get into just about everything, so don't forget them.
Including breakout sessions, which has a new format this year with some inspirational speakers with open seating, which is first come, first serve. So Ruben, you know what my tip is on that?
What?
I would say get there first.
Oh, pretty good advice, I'd say. We also encourage you to get involved with all aspects of conference. When you do get involved in certain things at conference, you'll get a name tag ribbon and try to get them all.
And if you do get them all, that's great. If you happen to lose them, that's bad. But there is a lost and found located at the registration booth.
Oh. What's also great is we have a first aid booth. So if you get a paper cut, hurt yourself, or see someone else that's injured, just head on down to the exhibit hall and check out the first aid booth.
Speaking of booths, we have a tech support booth, so if you have any technical issues, stop by that booth. Or you can find a student with a blue vest with the tech support team.
Okay. Also, before Gala, if you are hungry and you don't want to venture out into the craziness that is Hot Springs Eateries, the Hotel Hot Springs and the Embassy will both be offering meal options before Gala from 4 to 6 p.m.
I hear they have some delicious spaghetti.
It's pretty great stuff.
And I know you're going to talk about that spaghetti on social media, so please use the hashtag EastCon18.
Also, be sure to download the East mobile app, which gives you some great information about conference, exhibit hall layouts, breakout session scheduling, all that good stuff. So check it out.
Well, Ruben, I think you shared some good tips. Hopefully I had some good tricks. So welcome to Conference 2018.